AssetWatch and MaintainX have partnered to eliminate unplanned downtime by turning predictive insights into action. AssetWatch offers a premier end-to-end condition monitoring solution, combining wireless vibration sensors, oil analysis, AI-driven analytics, and expert engineers, helping your team predict failures before they happen. When AssetWatch detects an anomaly, your team receives a real-time alert prioritized by severity, with the most critical actions at the top. Clicking into the alert opens two-way chat access to a certified condition monitoring engineer. Here, you'll see observations and prescriptive recommendations from experts, empowering your team to act with confidence. AssetWatch alerts automatically generate work orders in MaintainX. With a few clicks, you can add parts, procedures, and assign the work order to the right person on your team. They'll be notified immediately in the mobile app with step-by-step instructions to safely resolve the issue. Once the job is done, the work order is marked complete, and the issue is resolved before it leads to downtime. From alert to action, AssetWatch and MaintainX make predictive maintenance seamless.